What happened when you got pulled over, yo?
Nothing.
Oh, fuck! What's up, guys? What's going on? It's your boy King Jockey Joe 413 back at it again. To my subscribers, how you guys doing? I miss you guys. You know I'm always thinking about you first. If it's your first time here, okay, hit that like button. Like this, you gotta like this video. So if you like this video, I want you to hit that like button. I want you to subscribe. Come on, guys. I'm trying to get my 1,000 subscribers. I'm at like 660 right now. Yo. Woo! Look at those bumps there. Little road work they doing right there. But if it's your first time watching, please subscribe. I'm asking you nicely, yo, because I'm gonna give you a lot more content this summer. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna have a lot of things going on this year. It's gonna be a lot of nice rides. I'm gonna give you a lot of different views of you know what I'm saying? Some from me, some from my boy Ed. We give you some back shots, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try a whole different couple formats out for you guys. How you guys doing? You guys staying healthy out there? Huh? Are you guys staying healthy? Quarantining? So I kind of like, you know what I'm saying, a couple of the guys, couple of the brothers, you know what I'm saying, the brotherhood, the Ryker brotherhood, a couple of the guys hit me up. They didn't want to ride, you know what I'm saying? They hit me up from the YouTube channel. They live around me, they want to ride. So I'm like, today's gonna be the nicest day out. Let's meet up. Meet up at Pride, 2 o'clock. Pride and Plainfield. That's where all the motorcycle people meet. So you know what I did? I went on the Facebook Massachusetts Motorcycle Riders page and put 2 o'clock, 2 p.m. Pride. So let's see what happens, guys. Let's see what happens. Got my camel hump. You know what I'm saying? Get thirsty, I throw this up in there. Get a couple sips. You know what I'm saying? Gotta have your camel hump. Keep you hydrated. I got 10 minutes to get there. Go, bro, huh? I'm waiting for one more dude.
Yeah.
What you up to? I thought he was in a Ryker, I guess not. Y'all got somewhere y'all trying to ride to? I don't even know. I'm gonna hit my boy. I'm gonna hit one of my boys up. It's my YouTube channel, bro. Yeah. What's good, boy? How you been? What's up? Shit, chillin'. How you? He be on buns. He be on buns. Yeah. I always burn out on the white lines.
Huh?
I always burn out on the white lines.
The trash bag.
It's right there.
Oh. The high note warrior.
I think there's more bikes out than cars. Forest Park, Springfield. That's the name of this area we in right now, guys, if you didn't know. There's actually a park in Forest Park called Forest Park. It's a big park. You got like a zoo in it and all that. It's actually closed now because of epidemic. Are we stopping? We're not stopping? We're not stopping?
Championship music. I feel like I just won a championship. We winning. Yeah. I feel good, man. Let's go. You ain't reppin' 80, get this steppin'. Yeah, you can. I'm sick like a pepper, man. My biggest haters is I grew up with. They hate on me. Why? Cause now I'm ish. Hell yeah, it's all about tots. I done put in the most work, I done put up the most grind. I'm the leader of my squad, even though these niggas say that I'm not. 80 proof, yeah, that's me. Demo Raphael Tarashi, 88 Indy of my crew. James Drake, stricken rob you, but nobody represents like I do. Niggas don't remember shit that I did. Sick of the niggas up for no bid. They ain't gotta drop them off at their crib. I ain't gotta hang around in the block. I'd rather spend that time with my kid. But I'm still out here and I'm getting it. Mad they ain't getting this shit. Talk shit on their Facebook, looking mad ridiculous. Me, I always make different ish. Feeling very conspicuous. Niggas wish I was ball up. I'm sorry that you didn't get your wish.
World, so you gotta have a heater. It's just me and my girl, so I ride a two-seater. I gotta stay legit, cause I'm doing shit illegal. Gotta stay out of jail, who won't take care of my people?
I can't win for losing. This time I gotta win it. I'm about to rob the game. I want everything in it. This is my year, I've been at it for a minute. I ain't giving it back, y'all can have it when I'm finished. I'm this time, wait for the internet. Me and Rob, we put in work. I push the work, I'm sick of work. God help me, I'm sick of church. Strip club, these twerk. Everybody trying to make a buck. Get it back, I double up. My shorty mad, I don't cuddle up. Cons mad, my shit legit. The hell with y'all, I know the law. Pissing all these rappers off. They hate the way that I can make a song. Passports, I'm taking off. You making moves, I make them too. Had to test the waters, grab my scuba gear, see what they can do. I don't pay for no beast, dog. Eddie Deuce is a beast, dog. Always keep my peace on in the streets, dog. They like peace, God. Don't claim to be gangster. Always aim from the waist up. See me out, just stay shut. Can't keep they legs shut, or can't keep they mouth closed. I can hit, that's a thought though. Got a snot nose, my CD code from the intro to the outro. Then I mentioned it was touch though. The illest in the out. How could you
Yo, it's
not
a
know?
cold world, so you gotta have a heater. It's just me and my girl, so I ride a two-seater. I gotta stay legit, cause I'm doing shit illegal. Gotta stay out of jail, who won't take care of my people?
I can't win for losing. This time I gotta win it. I'm about to rob the game. I want everything in it. This is my year. I've been at it for a minute. I ain't giving it back. Y'all can have it when I'm finished. I'm fucking tots.
Years to get a degree.
With us, you could finish in 3. At a big college, no one cares. Hearing about students is what we do best. For more information, text degree to 88588. That's degree to 88588.
Hi, I'm Jay Farner, CEO of Quicken Loans and Rocket Mortgage. During these challenging times,
Yeah, you should turn these around. See these right here? Turn them around. Like this way. So they're back here. I think that's how they're supposed to be. Look at my shit. They did the same shit to Angel shit. What happened? What happened when you got pulled over, y'all?
Nothing. As soon as he saw me, he was like, oh, okay. He just started, you know?
Oh, you knew him?
Yeah. I worked with him at Winning.
How fast you was going?
He said like 70 something.
In a 45?
Yeah.
Damn, bro, you got lucky on that one. Then you almost got pulled over on that road right there near Six Flags.
I can't get away from these people. I knew I wasn't going that fast. I knew he was probably gonna let me go anyway.
You gotta start coughing as soon as you take off your helmet.
Right?
Should he gas?
Nah, where y'all wanna go?